Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Afro Goddess Tarot Arcanas by Andrea Furtick. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $46.95 in the US. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this deck our way. As always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Spiritual storyteller and visionary artist Andrea Furtick created the Afro Goddess Tarot Arcanas to offer an enlightened viewpoint for diverse readers. She designed the 80 cards with vibrant colors, a blend of ancient and modern symbolism, and a wide array of melanated skin tones. The cards are printed on holographic paper with gold gilded edges. Oh, how cool. The exuberant deck realigns the traditional esoteric structures for a more positive, accessible, inclusive, and transformative tarot experience. The full-color illustrated 108-page guidebook presents thought-provoking messages from the goddesses, along with wisdom from the ancestors to inspire today's modern spiritualist to journey towards their best self. Set includes 80 tarot cards with gilt edges and a 100-page illustrated guidebook. I am so excited. This packaging is gorgeous. Look at that. It's magnetic enclosure. Ooh. We got a ribbon. Guidebook. Oh, they're a little bit smaller. Okay. Very cool. Right. So before we get into the cards, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook here to see if there's any important information we need to know prior to using this. A tarot deck for the melanated goddess. For our daughters, may they see beyond the veil and begin their ascension from a place of pride, wisdom, and truth. Oh, I love that. All right, down here. Being able to truly resonate and form personal connections with the imagery of the cards are of the utmost importance. So, Melanated Goddesses, the Afro Goddess Tarot Arcanas is a deck system designed exclusively for the innate spiritual connection of the melanated woman or man. These beautiful and vibrant cards have been carefully studied, designed, and hand-painted by fine artist Andrea Furtick with an emphasis on seemingly blending traditional tarot wisdom and current melanated culture, while invoking a sense of presence and aid from our ancestors who are always ready to assist us. So goddess, listen to what you see is the art of the tarot. Oh, that is so awesome. Okay. We have some 3-card spread options here. And then if you want a yes or no answer, and then it goes into the cards. Everything is color printed. Awesome. Oh, and there's the author there. Cool. All right, I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. Okay, there's the back. That is so cool. Love that. Cardstock is not bad either. It's like, yeah, it's right in that sweet spot between medium and thin. Like, it's not super thin. It's very flexible. I think it's going to shuffle really nice. It is a smaller card size as well. So if you have smaller hands, this might be a very good option for you. And look at those edges. Beautiful. Oh my God. I don't know if the camera is going to be able to pick it up, but yeah, there's that hollow printing. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, okay. Let's get into it. If you see me doing this, I'm trying to get that hollow light to get on the camera. We have the title and the number at the bottom here. No borders. Oh, this is gorgeous. You can kind of see it there. Oh, the borders too have the little design on it. I don't know if you can tell. I just noticed. Oh my gosh. Sorry. It's gorgeous. It's stunning. I'm already in love with it. And then be careful when you are separating the cards. With that gilded edge, it's going to possibly stick together, so you don't want to go really fast with a flip through. Oh, it's just stunning. Oh, you can kind of see it a little bit more with this. Oh. Oh, interesting. This feels really good in the hand as well. Love that. Just gorgeous. Okay, so now, oh, we have the extra cards. Excuse me, sorry. The Supreme. And the Nova. Wow. All right, let's do the minors. We've got swords. A little snake. It's so hard to capture what I'm seeing in my eyes on the film. Okay, Jessica Rabbit. Love that. Okay, so daughter instead of page. Sun instead of knight. Goddess instead of queen. And God instead of king. Wands. Sweet. I love that. Cups. So fun. Oh. It's vibrant. It's so just like explosive with emotion and joy and beauty. Oh, it's a white peacock. Can't tell. There we go. And pentacles. I love that. Oh, that's really cool imagery. Oh. So sweet. The quality of these cards are really nice. I have to say, the screen is not doing them justice. Look at that shine. Her hair, oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Okay, let's see how they shuffle. Yeah. No complaints. Okay, can I get a card to read? Oh, there we go. We got the Hierophant. Just a reminder. Okay, this card is about spiritual connection and leadership, regardless of our path to get there. We all possess a desire to ultimately feel connected. Card 5, the Hierophant, is all about that type of guided energy. As above, so below is the mantra of the Hierophant. As they are the vessel of spiritual leadership, she or he represents the ruling powers of both external and internal religion, as well as traditions, belief systems, and the ritualistic approach to the spiritual world. So whatever path you choose to take to get through that door, pulling this card reveals a moment to make sure that you take that step. This card can represent a person with a growing need for acceptance, thus triggering an examination of your own personal beliefs. And who better to help you with that than the Hierophant? Know that knowledge leads to both inner and outer power. Therefore, educating yourself so that you may be able to meditate between the aspects of your intellectual emotions is key. As the Hierophant acts as the bridge between the spiritual and the physical, it may be time to either reach out to a trusted advisor for advice or reach within during meditation and ask your ancestors and spirit guides for guidance. Remember, the universe conspires with you and not against you. In its reverse, the Hierophant invites you to be your own teacher. External approval is not a priority at this time, and you are free to go at it your own way. This is absolutely beautiful. What a very unique type of holographic backing, I guess you would say. It just adds an extra oomph to this card, to the art. It is beautifully done. The intuitive hits are there. If you are a melanated goddess or god, this is definitely something I would recommend taking a look at. The guidebook is great. The imagery, God, it's so beautiful. And it shuffles great too. The quality is so nice. I like the size. Like I said, it's a smaller size. Look at that back. I mean, everything about this is just stunning. It's gorgeous. Love. So with that being said, I definitely think it is worth the $46 price tag because of just the quality alone. And like I said, it's just gorgeous. I'm really blown away with the art. I think it's really cool. I think it's beautiful. I love what this is all about. So I now want to know what you guys think. Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sharing this. And thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.